Myself Narmada. So having 9 year of experience as a Microsoft technologies, experience in SQL Server, SSIS, and then Microsoft Azure. Today we are going to see how to install Visual Studio 2026 community version and also how you can install SSIS integration service 2026. Let's start. Just to go to the start button. Here you just type Visual Studio latest version 2026 install. Otherwise you just put Visual Studio latest version install. See here, it's opening the Microsoft website for downloading purpose. Just click on this. Here you see it's showing like Visual Studio 2026 latest version, which is the latest version. So the community is the free download. It's powerful IDE. It's free for students and then individuals who can use this community for developing your skill set all thing. Okay, so this under professional and then enterprise, this is for free trial. That means you have to pay money for this. So just go with community. Just do free download. See here, it's getting downloading Visual Studio installer. Once it's download complete, then click open the file, exe file. Just open it. See, it's installing. It's asking, do you want to make this app changes to your device? Click yes. So what it is saying, before you get started, we need to set a few things so that you can configure your installation. Okay, click continue. Okay, it's downloaded, installed. See here, it's asking like a copy workloads component and settings from previous installation. Why it is asking? Because I already have Visual Studio 2022 community, so that's why I'm just checking this. Uh, Check this box. Okay, I'm clicking next. In case if it is if you are installing new, then it won't ask these things. Okay, you directly let it be the default selection whatever it is there already, then click next. So the following packages are not available, it's saying, because these packages Azure tool, it does not exist. So it is saying that it's okay, this is not required for our SQL Server integration service project. So just click OK. Now if you want anything from here, you can check that box. For example, ASP.NET web development, you can check this checkbox. Otherwise, if you need Azure and AI development, then check this box. Okay, likewise if you need anything Python development something, you can check this box. But so far we don't need this. We just need data storage and processing. This needs to be checked, because since I already installed Visual Studio 2022, it's already enabled. But in your case, if you are first downloading first time, then this checkbox not enabled state, so you just enable this. Okay, see for this basically connect, develop, and then solutions with SQL Server, Azure Data Lake, or Hadoop. And then if you click this, right click this, here it will show you under data storage and processing whatever needs to be installed. So I don't need this GitHub, because you see total space required 11.47 GB, but I don't need this. So you just disable this. Okay, see GB is reducing. whenever I am doing that. So this Azure data lake and streaming, I don't need it. So if you see, it's a total space require 9 GB. It's scheme. Okay, check once any other checkbox enabled. So this one, what is this? C plus plus, this not, we don't need. Okay, because here space is getting reduced. You see, your system should have enough space what you are installing, right? So unnecessary ones you can uncheck those. Okay, now what you do, just click install. Here see, only 1.49 GB needed. We are downloading and verifying. Let's wait to complete this process. It will take some time to complete, maybe around 5 minutes. So just wait till 100% complete here. So click see here, Visual Studio Community 2026. It's got installed on installation has been update available. So if you want, you can update all, but right now I don't want to update. But you can launch this 2026. See, it's opening. You don't need to create account. I just want to skip this. So skip and add account later. So now, Visual Studio. Choose your color theme. I'm just giving default one. Okay, general setup. So just start the Visual Studio. So here you see, it's get started. If you see, you can create a new project, you can open a project or open a folder, clone your repository. So now I'm going to click create new project. So here check SSIS is there or not. So see here, there is no SSIS present. So you don't need to download SSIS separately from the website URL. Okay, I will guide you how you can download in Visual Studio itself SSIS. Okay, now you can click anywhere. From here, I'm just clicking blank solutions. So once you click, just create it, and then we can download, SSIS from extensions. You just click extensions and then, manage extensions. Here you just search the keyword SSIS. You see here SQL Server Integration Service showing up. Just click here, download, install. See, it's getting installing. The download got completed. Now double click data tool, Microsoft data tool. Now it's asking, please select the language of the installer. I'm selecting English United States. It's a default one. You don't need to change this. Just click OK. Now you can just click next. It's asking like, because I am already having 2022 in my machine. Also right now we have installed 2026. It's asking like, install this product to be selected Visual Studio which instance. Okay, now I want to install this in 2026. So So it's saying, please close following process before continuing this setup. That means I already opened few of the Visual Studio related tools. I have to close this, installer all thing, right? We already installed, that is opened. Also, this one I previously this one opened. So we have to close this relevant too. Again, you just come here, again try to click install. It is saying again something running. What you do, you just go here, you know task manager. Just to go task manager and search with this keyword what it is saying. If you don't understand perf, right, it start with perf. Just type perf here. Something is running with this, so just click here, and then end task, do end task. Okay, now come here, click OK. I'm just installing this product on the Visual Studio 2026, whatever we installed recently. It's saying, do you want make this app to make changes on your devices? Click yes. Setup in the progress. See, the installation got completed. Now setup completed. Now close this. Okay, now open Visual Studio 2026. So this is the latest version. This is the old versions which already previously I downloaded 2022. This is the 2026, the latest one which I downloaded. Now open this. Okay, create new project, and then here search for the template. Click SSIS. See, it's installed properly. Now what you do, click next, and then give the project name, the location where the project needs to be stored, and then what is the package solution name. So now you just create the new project, will create. See, the new project created. Guys, I hope you understand how you can install Microsoft Visual Studio Community 2022 and also the SQL Server integration services. Thank you for watching.